Ultra Packaging has been in business since 1993, specializing in providing cost-effective, innovative, and high-quality cartoning solutions for every industry. Our rebuilt cartoner mission is to provide versatile, economical, and implementable cartoners available to purchase with shortened lead times versus new equipment. Whether a company is a startup or a global leader, a frame-up, rebuilt cartoner is oftentimes a solution that will prove to be highly efficient, remanufactured to today's standards, economical, delivered faster than new, and oftentimes can save a project budget for a complete line replacement before falling short in an ROI review. Whether horizontal auto load, horizontal manual load, vertical manual load, or vertical auto load cartoning, our rebuilt cartoners are fully warranted and designed specifically for your production and product requirements. Whether we start with your cartoner or ours, Ultra Packaging has decades of cartoning experience, and we are one of the most trusted OEMs for providing an alternative to new without compromising quality or technology. Our rebuild process includes pre-engineering and project review, complete machine disassembly to the base frame, steam cleaning, sandblasting, priming, painting, complete replacement of all power transmission components, all new electrical distribution, controls, PLC, safety, and all field devices, machine reassembly, setup and testing with product, customer FAT acceptance and validation, and a complete bill of materials and updated electrical schematics are provided. In the first application video that you're seeing, we feature a high-speed pizza cartoner operating at 110 cartons per minute. The machine was originally converted from a 3-pack soap and shampoo with custom boat-style infeed conveyor, converted to a conventional wide-pitch auto-load cartoner for pizzas. Integrated on the machine is a small character inkjet printer. In the second application video, we're featuring a frozen waffle machine operating at 160 cartons per minute. The machine was converted from a vertical bottle loading system to a standard fixed infeed pocket horizontal auto load cartoner with an integrated laser printer. In the third application, we showcase some of our integration capabilities, featuring a custom product infeed with integrated multi-feeder friction feeders delivering 300 parts per minute of product at a rate of 10 cartons per minute into fixed infeed pockets. There's an additional multi-feeder friction feeder delivering one instructional leaflet into each infeed pocket. There's an integrated latest barcode scanner for product verification, leaflet verification, and barcode verification on the carton. The machine is operating in intermittent motion and features a small footprint. Our rebuild process starts the same as a new machine inquiry. A review of the intended cartons and product for the application. Whether you own a cartoner for the application, a complete machine review is conducted, typically in person, reviewing every facet of the machine for wear components and general condition of the machine and feasibility of running the cartons and product required. If a cartoner is not currently owned, Ultra Packaging maintains a limited supply of cartoners, typically 10 to 12, in both vertical and horizontal cartoners that are inventoried as application-specific machines. Not all cartons and product have an exact match to a cartoner that we currently have in inventory. In this event, we have a wide range of resources that allow us to scour the market for existing cartoners that could be a great fit for your exact application. Oftentimes, only adding a few days to the project, we travel to the site, review the cartoner, and ensure operationally the machine will effectively and efficiently run your product.